So this is an iPhone 11 Pro Max with a Moondog Labs anamorphic lens, inside a Beast Grip Pro, mounted to a tripod with an Edelchrome wing so that we can see some smooth dolly-ins and dolly-outs. Let me show you a little bit about the settings I've got here on Filmic Pro. Resolution, 4K Extreme, frame rate 50 frames per second because these lights are vibrating at 25 times per second. I'm in Europe, so we're at 25p base, so double that is 50. Anyways, you get the idea. We're going to save this inside the Filmic Pro app so that we've got maximum bit rate and maximum quality. Of course, we told it that we have the Moondog Anamorphic 2.40:1 adapter attached. So let's look at the shots. I'm going to roll on this, and action.